Hello everyone. Well, in this video, I'm going to discuss about a different type of authentication mechanism, that is token-based authentication mechanism. So assume that there is a client and there is a server. There are certain APIs which are present on the server which are exposed, and client want to use those endpoints. So in case of token-based authentication, this is how the flow works. First, client is going to send the request along with username password to the server. Once server receives this request, it is going to check the validity of the user, and based on that, it is going to generate the token. So after this, server is going to respond to the client with the token. Once the client receives the token, it is going to store that token and it is going to attach all the subsequent requests with that token. So for the next request, the client is going to attach the token instead of username password and send it back to the server. Now here again, the server will verify the validity of the token, and based on the validity of the token, it will respond back to the client. And this is how the client will receive the response for his request. So this is how the token-based authentication flow works. Now, one of the advantage of using the token-based authentication is that you can configure how long a token will be valid and what are the endpoint you can access using the particular token. So once the token is expired, again, client has to go through this flow to opt a new token.